Well, you asked for a wig with bangs, and Ellen Wille understood the assignment. Let's look at this brand new style. I'm so excited to share with you this brand new style from Ellen Wille. This is called Rainbow. Such a cute, shaggy wig. This wig was provided to me by Ellen Wille. I'm going to put a link in the drop down box below this video. Just expand the drop down box and there'll be a link there where you can purchase this in any color. I think it's going to come in around 14 different shades on this one. Now the color I have is coffee brown lighted, and that color code is 8616. Y'all, this is so fun. Such a cute, this is a true throw on and go. It's from the Perucci collection, and that is one of my favorite collections from Ellen Wille. It's synthetic fibers. It's kind of a mid-length to shoulder, kind of a shaggy style. Like I said, this wig is full of soft, fun layers. And then, of course, it has this adorable little fringe bang. I love that. We have so many requests. So many people want wigs with bangs, so I was so excited to see this one. I love these types of wigs where you just put it on and get out the door. Now the fit of Rainbow. This fits me like every Ellen Wille wig fits me. It fits me perfectly. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. However, there's a lot of stretch in this cap. I feel like this will stretch up, oh, I don't know, 22.5 easily on this wig. Permatease, yes, there is permatease in this wig. There's permatease at the nape. This is open wefted. I would expect it to have this permatease, and there is no lace front and a mono crown. Let's look at the inside of the cap. I want to talk to you about the cap. Like I said, no lace front. You don't need a lace front on this. That's just extra expense. You have this adorable bang, so there's really no use for a lace front. There is a little mono crown, as you see right at the top. Just gives that little illusion like the hair is growing right out of your head. This is open wefted. Like I said, there is definitely permatease running through here. So if permatease is not your thing, this might not be the wig for you. There is permatease here, but if you will see this, it's not huge billowy, but it is there, and it has its purpose to serve to cover that wefting. Now, the ear tabs are made from that breathable fabric. We have seen that on previous Ellen Wille styles. And if you'll look at the nape, there is a small felt piece of the nape, and then the rest of it is that same breathable material, so making that an extended nape, and it also has Velcro adjusters. Now the specs of Rainbow, the front of this is 4.5 inches, so it's a really nice bang. You could trim it if you needed to. The crown is 6.5, and the sides and nape of this are 7.5. It weighs 3.4 ounces. Again, it doesn't even seem like it weighs that much to me. This is so lightweight. These fibers are so light and airy. I feel like, y'all don't be afraid. Get your hands in your wigs, pull them away from the cap. On these wefted caps, you really need to pull the fibers away from the cap. That gives them some movement. Wake them up a little bit. They've been in that box and shipping. Wake them up, let them move around. You'll get a much more natural look. Now let's talk about coffee brown lighted 8616. It has a base of a medium to dark brown. That is true. This is a medium to dark brown. Then it has these honey blonde highlights. They're on the top, and then it's darker at the nape on this one. Y'all, this wig, I think this color needs these highlights. It gives it a lot of personality. It keeps it from being flat or dull. So I believe in this color with this dark brown base, this needed these highlights, and I think they did it real well. They're chunky here, as you can see. Just really, really well done. Now, let's talk about this color and how Ellen Wille does their colors. If you're familiar with them, sometimes they, well, all the time, they assign their color codes depending on the style. You could have two wigs that are the same name color, but they look differently because they will have changed those color codes up. They do that on their styles. Not every, like I said, coffee brown lighted might look like this on this style. They might have it on another style where it looks differently depending on how they place the color. That's just how they do it. But now let's break this one down. 8 is the medium brown, like we talked about. The 6 is the dark brown, so that's the base of this wig. And then they have the 16, which is the medium blonde highlights running throughout. So that is how they did the coloring on this one. So pretty, coffee brown lighted. I love this color. Now for styling, you can use any kind of styling product you like. You could use some wig wax, you could use some peace out cream, you could use whatever you want to use. I have some Beauty Mart Flex Hold hairspray. That's just what I picked up. And I will use this a lot of times as well, just to piece it out like I'm doing just here. So easy. Just spray it all over. This also will tame any flyaways that you might have, just using a little bit of this hairspray. I like, of course, you know, I like permatease, so I like to get some volume going in mine, but you don't have to do that. I'm just gonna piece it out. That's it. You see exactly what I'm doing. I'm running my hands through it. I'm spraying it with a little bit of this hairspray, and I am just making it messy and piecey. Y'all don't try to make your wigs something they're not. This is not a styled wig. This is a fun, shag, easy to wear, messy style. So don't try to make it something it's not. Let it be what it is. You will enjoy it more that way. So cute. Y'all, I think this is, like I said, put this in. I always have a stack of wigs that are my go-tos. I keep them close at hand. I know I can throw this on and go. It's gonna look cute. Absolutely adorable. Thank you so much, Ellen Wille, for sending this over to me today. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Leave me your thoughts. Have you tried this? Are you going to try this? Have you tried this color? I want to know all your thoughts. Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.